Welcome back to Cotton Creations. So let's get into the sweet potato pancakes with a maple cinnamon glaze. All right, so first things first, let's take our mashed sweet potatoes, some vegan milk, some lemon juice, some maple syrup, and we're gonna go ahead and blend that up until it is nice and smooth. I do not want any stringiness of the sweet potatoes in my pancakes. So that's the reason why we're blending it up instead of just sticking to it being mashed. Once that's done, we're going to go ahead and get our dry ingredients together. So go ahead and grab a bowl. And today, of course, I'm using the Cotton Creations vegan pancake and waffle mix. So I'm going to go ahead and measure that out into my bowl, and then I'm going to go ahead and add some ground cinnamon to this and make sure that that is whisked together until the cinnamon is evenly distributed. And you know I got you. If you want to recreate this at home, the recipe is in the description box down below. It is also on my website, and you can also purchase the products from cottoncreationsllc.com. Also available on walmart.com and Amazon. So if you're interested, then go to those places to purchase and get the recipe. All right, so once that is done, we're going to go ahead and combine and add our wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. I probably should have used a bigger bowl here, but hey, I'm not about to mess up a whole nother dish, so we're going to make this work. So you want to keep mixing it together. Now, it's important not to over mix this because, of course, we want nice, light, and fluffy pancakes. So lumps are good, but you do want to mix it together until all the ingredients are combined. Now, the next step is extremely important to making sure that you get some nice, fluffy pancakes. Let that batter rest. Go play golf or something. Okay, maybe not golf because that will take too long. But at least let it rest for a good 5 to 10 minutes. And then once it's ready, we're going to go ahead and get a pan, whatever your favorite pan is for cooking your pancakes in. So I'm going to use a combination of oil and butter for these. So go ahead and get your skillet nice and hot. Put your oil on, put your butter on, and go ahead and put your pancake batter on your pan and cook it until it's golden brown on each side. And then we're going to keep going and repeating this process until it's done. Now, something that I need y'all to pay attention to is one, this batter does not necessarily spread when it's in this form with the sweet potatoes. So you will have to spread it out as you can see me doing here. And then check this out. Did y'all see that rise? I don't think y'all saw that rise. Should we rewind? So I think we should. Let's rewind. Let's do it again. You see that rise? Okay. That means you got a nice, light fluffy pancake. All right. So now for the glaze, we're just going to take some vegan powdered sugar, some cinnamon, some maple syrup, and some vegan milk. And we're going to go ahead and whisk that together until it forms a nice, thick glaze for the top of these pancakes. And baby, let me tell you something. With this glaze, you don't even need syrup or any additional anything because this glaze is like the perfect combination for these sweet potato pancakes. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of this recipe down in the comment section down below. If you want to see more recipes like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn that bell notification on. And of course, give your girl a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And as you can see, these babies are nice and fluffy and light, and they just literally melt in your mouth. I mean, I really don't know if these are for breakfast or dessert or both. Y'all tell me in the comment section. Would you eat it for breakfast or for dessert or both? All right, see y'all in the next one.